So today we are cooking a General's recipe, General Tso's chicken recipe. And I know it's Asian American. First we start by cutting some vegetables. We need some green onion for the final product. So let's cut all this onion. I had everything prepared but a knife. I just washed those so they are clean. No worries. As am I already wasting your time, I'll just cut this whole thing and I'll add it to my deli container. Almost perfect cutting. And now I'm a bit sad. Something emotional about these onions. Now let's cut some garlic cloves. And now we have to grate those. I'm always afraid for my fingers. Let's hope that's enough. And now the ginger. Not the freshest ginger, but no waste, as you can see. I like to wash things. Now let's grate this also. We need, I think, 3 teaspoons. Hope these are 3 teaspoons. We'll see if this is enough. But though, if I think more carefully, better more than less. Okay, backups are here. Wash. No waste again. And grate. Wrong side. Good side. Okay, that's enough. Now we have to cut 600 grams of chicken thigh into 1-inch cubes. And that looks like a 1-inch to me. Another bone. Should have been boneless, not bone-in. And another bone. And some more bones. And now that we are prepared, wasn't that bad the preparation. Let's see what we do with all this. We have to marinate the chicken. Now we have to mix a bunch of ingredients. Where's my 1 teaspoon? There you are. Let's start assembling the marinade. First we need some sesame oil. This sesame oil is delicious. 1 teaspoon. Actually, I'll first add the gochujang. We need 2 teaspoons of chili paste. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This sesame oil is delicious. It's a pity we add just 1 teaspoon. Okay. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce from Lee Kum Ki. Now let's mix this. Smells nice from the sesame oil. Okay, and now we have to add 2 tablespoons of this mixture to the chicken so it marinates. To the chicken we'll also add a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic. That looks proper. Let's mix well and let the chicken marinate for half an hour. Now to finish the sauce, it's a bit oily, but we need to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar, as you can see. That's a lot of sugar. Mix well. Smells delicious. And now we need 3/4 cup of chicken stock, but I don't have that. We'll add 3/4 cup water and half a chicken bouillon cube. And that's the chicken stock. Now that the chicken is marinated, we need to dust it with 1 cup of cornstarch. Let's prepare our stove also. But first we need to cook some rice also. I use basmati rice also. Wash also. And I actually do have some pork stock from a previous recipe. Wow! And we'll cook this on the auxiliary stove. And I'll tell you a secret, this is actually my main stove when I'm not recording. Now let's bring forward the stove. Now we have to deep fry or shallow fry those chicken bits. Let's shallow fry. So we add 1 inch of oil. We have to bring this oil to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. We prepare our exit strategy. Let's see if this helps. Almost there. And we cook the chicken for 3 minutes, flipping halfway. Ooh, smells incredible. Now let's flip. Is this cooked? Yeah, cooked. Definitely cooked. And this one also. Let the oil heat back and we'll continue our saga. The rice is ready. This oil looks so beautiful. Let's do another batch. Let's flip. Cooked. Also cooked. And try not to taste. They look so crispy. Drain on a paper towel. Last batch. We didn't need this guy. Flip. Let's see. Turn off the heat. Set this aside. And the last step, we heat this to medium heat. Now we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. We add 2 teaspoons of ginger. This is half a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of ginger. And 2 teaspoons of garlic. Let's pretend that this is 2 teaspoons. And half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Gochujaru. Cook for 30 seconds, just a bit. And then we add our sauce. It smells delicious. We bring it to a simmer and let it simmer until we can take our spoon from one side to the other. I don't think we are there, but we are getting there. This is it. I think it's done. And now we have to add the chicken here and coat quickly. Looks delicious and smells incredible. Okay, I think everything is coated. Turn off the heat and now we can plate. We add a little bit of rice and some chicken. Not that good at plating, but some sesame seeds and some green onions. Looking good, not gonna lie. Let's taste a bit. Looks awesome. Amazing. That's all I can say. You should definitely give this a try. Amazing. Wow. I have goosebumps. Delicious. Wow. Definitely give this a try. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. And see you in the next one.